Okay, quick little thing here. I am going to talk a little bit about this salad I'm preparing because it's easy, but I'm also going to talk about something I am doing health-wise, just to kind of kickstart my detox here. So, for those who don't know, I've had some issues with my allergies kind of happening. Found out that I'm severely allergic to short-haired dogs. And guess what I had? A short-haired dog. So I'm actually going to be starting a detox. I started today. I know it's Lent, and no, I'm not Catholic, but just so happened it's going to align because I wanted to start yesterday, but I had an event and I knew I was going to eat there, so I didn't do that. But anywho, I'm possibly going to do 40 days. But anyway, so I'm doing a Greek salad now. That's what they call it here, but Greek salad is nothing like what we do here in America. But I'll give some information about it. So very simple. I have leafy romaine mixture I'm doing here. I am also going to use some other things. I have some red onion, which you can kind of see here. Red onion, a little bit of cucumber. I like to do mine kind of thin. That's just me. And a little bit of tomato. I have some Gyro slices, which I got from Costco. If you want to eat that. Very good, by the way. So I've already put my salad in the bowl. I have some Athenos feta cheese. And because that's pretty light on my tummy, because certain cheeses I just can't do anymore. And then I also have Primal Kitchen avocado Greek dressing. It's an avocado oil. This is really good, but it's light. And if you've been keeping up with me, I'm kind of laying low on the sodium. Even with the Gyro, the sodium is about 19%. They do serving size is like 2 ounces. This is a little more than that. So that's where all of my salt is basically going to be here. And so I'm going to prep my little salad here and just show you something quickly, and then we'll get into talking about this detox. Okay. All right, let's get started. So easy breezy on this salad. I am going to put my meat pieces here on top. I actually air fried these, so you only want to do them for a few minutes depending on your air fryer. I did it at 375 for very few minutes, just until they were warm, because this is already cooked. Oh, I forgot to tell you I have banana peppers too. So this is 2 tablespoons is a serving size and has about 110 calories in this particular dressing. This dressing is also keto and paleo, if you're into that sort of thing. I'm not. Never wanted to do keto. Never thought it was healthy eating that type of fights, but hey, to each his own. So I'm going to just place my tomatoes, my cucumbers. I don't know if you like cucumbers, but I'm not a big fan, but I do like cucumbers on this type of salad. And go back into that detox. So I'm doing 40 days. It's going to be prayer focused, centered around discipline, also centered around just kind of hearing from God as well. Typically when I'm fasting, I don't share it, and I base that off of scripture as well, because the scripture tells us when you want people to see that, oh God, I'm fasting, and you want people to know you're fasting and put it out there. Surely that's your reward. So that's why most of the time you want to fast privately, so God can in turn reward you openly. That's not what I'm doing. Although I'll have a prayer focus, because I believe any type of detox that you do, any type of transitioning that you decide to do when it comes to your life, that it should always incorporate prayer. That's just my take on it. What your belief system is may not line up with mine, and vice versa. If you have a problem with it, scroll past, unfriend me, block me, whatever. I don't care. So what I did today was a smoothie this morning with an immune booster, because if you hear me, I sound congested, my sinuses, I had a cold, you name it. So I'm really just recovering at this point. So smoothie in the morning, I had a chicken noodle soup from Panera Bread that I love it because it has turmeric in it. I had that for lunch. I didn't do too much snacking because I'm just really trying to give my body some relief. Nothing but water today. And now I'm doing this salad, and I'll probably have something else a little bit later because it's only 5 in the evening, and I want to make sure I'm getting enough calories today. Although today is day 1 for me to prepare my body for what's to come forth over the next 40 days, I'm actually not going to really fully do a detox until Friday. That's when I'll start my detox. So I don't measure dressing. So I'm gonna pour until I feel like I have enough, because I like my dressing, and it's pretty light. So do that. I am going to crumble. Oh, sorry y'all. I am going to crumble. I need somebody to like film my videos, because that light behind me is terrible. But I was like, I need to start sharing more content, because a part of my fast, well, not fast, my detox, a part of my detox will be getting off of social media, other than to boost my social media platform, which is something that I am going to be working on. So just a few crumbles of feta. I'm going to do a very little bit of banana peppers here. Just a little, because I really like the other ones, but these are just gonna have to do for the flavor, and that's it. So just a little Greek salad. So if you'd like to join me on this detox and want to know more about what I'm doing and how I'm structuring everything and the results I typically get, you can join me. I'll put more information into these videos as I share it, because I may do something daily just to kind of give you an update. So if you're wondering why my video is clear now, it's because my phone was greasy. So anyhow, I just wiped it off with this paper towel. It's okay, I'm not doing this over. But back to what I was saying, if you would like to join me during this detox, it is very healthy. It is also to kickstart me getting back into the gym, so I can start back working out, because your girl getting a little belly here. And I don't like it. I mean, the angle is terrible too, because you can actually see my little double chins from these angles. But part of this is because I have not been in the gym and I haven't been eating well. And so, yeah, back to that. If you want to join me, you can. If you know, I do have something written up to kind of guide a person on this journey if they like to share it with me. I do have a guide that I wrote. And who knows, it might turn into something else. Typically, I do see some weight loss during this when I do it. But another thing I've had experience with, because I've been doing this a long time, is my skin typically clears up more. There's more clarity and focus. Like it defogs the brain because you're not taking in any of those processed foods. Sugar is a no during this time. No sugary drinks. It's just the basis of it is herbal teas. No processed sugars. No none of the bad fats. We do the good fats. No seed oils. So that means no vegetable oils. No canola oils. I'm doing avocado oils, what else? Olive oils, and mainly your extra virgin, first cold press olive oils if you're going to do it. And if you just have to have some butter, I suggest do real cream butter. That's just my suggestion if you're going to use it. I try to stay away from it, but It's just to give your body a break initially. That's why you're not going to see me eat a lot of processed food, processed cheese. You're going to see me eat things like feta. I may eat cheddar, and if I do, it's going to be real cheddar cheese if I eat it at all. And so this is to give your body a break, boost your metabolism, boost your immune system. On top of this, I'm taking zinc, I'm taking vitamin C, and so just to kind of get you going. So in the morning, I'm doing green smoothies. And so just wanted to share that. I feel like this is the time for me to start putting information out there and just letting people see who I am. And that's just what it is. And so, yeah, if you want to join me, like I said, hit me up. Let me know. And we can get something crack-a-lackin'. Bye, y'all. See you later.